So here are the top 10 features of the Note 20 Ultra that are worth a second look. Let's start with the hardware that defines the Galaxy Note, shall we? The S Pen on the Note 20 Ultra does everything the one on the Note 10 does, plus there are some improvements. For one, the latency of the S Pen has been increased. Latency is basically the touch input, how responsive it is. The one on the Note 10 Plus had a latency of 42 milliseconds, but on the Note 20 Ultra it's 9 milliseconds. So it's a drastic improvement and it will feel like you're actually writing on a paper. Samsung Notes now will sync with Microsoft's OneNote. That makes Samsung's app much more useful as your notes are now less likely to just sit on your phone. Notes also gain the ability to annotate PDFs, match up audio recording with your notes, and offer full folder management. Yes, you read that right. Finally, after so many requests, Samsung is providing 3 years of software updates with the Galaxy Note 20 lineup. That's huge. It's same as Google does for the Pixel lineup, which will make Samsung's phones even more appealing than before. Samsung's DeX system was designed to turn a phone into a PC by hooking it up to a mouse and keyboard. Not many people were doing that, so Samsung has swerved to a more usable mode. Now you can connect the DeX wirelessly. You can use your phone's display as a trackpad and can even use your TV as a monitor, which makes using DeX much more convenient than before. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be the first smartphone in the world to feature special optimizations for Microsoft's Project xCloud game streaming service. The device can be used to play more than 90 Xbox gaming titles via Xbox Game Pass. By the way, you need to pair the Note 20 Ultra with a Bluetooth-enabled Xbox controller though. The Xbox game service is dubbed Netflix for video games, so it will keep the Note 20 Ultra owners entertained with hundreds of quality titles to play on your big screen TV from the Note 20 without even having to own an Xbox console. One of the pre-order bundles will offer an option to get 3 months of gaming subscription service from Microsoft. The Note 20 Ultra's hardware and impressive display should make it one of the best smartphones for streaming games. The Note 20 Ultra is the first Android handset to get this new chip that allows for a way faster file transfer. You can just point your phone at someone else's phone and your phone will know you probably want to send things to them. Put another way, this feature allows the Note 20 Ultra to precisely detect where other UWB chip-enabled phones are in physical space. That's something lacking on other Android smartphones. The Note 20 Ultra has a beautiful 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO display. LTPO is a tech that allows for variable display refresh rate. On the Note 20 Ultra, it can vary from 1 Hz to 120 Hz depending on what you're doing. This allows the phone to have better battery life since the display can switch to lower refresh rate for content that doesn't need high refresh rate. The Note 20 Ultra also has the toughest gadget glass Corning has ever created. A glass that can not only resist a 6-foot drop, but also the first in 6 years to meaningfully improve your phone's ability to shrug off nasty scratches. This is big, especially for people who don't like to put screen protectors on. The Note 20 Ultra features the new UFS 3.1 storage that is mind-numbingly fast. It's 3 times faster than the UFS 3.0 on the S20 Ultra and also more efficient. So it's providing you that crazy high speeds while at the same time extending the battery life as well.